Hello guys, my family, my fans, my friends and my haters. So lately I've been seeing videos of me circulating in groups hanzi maititi vanoita basa rekutaura zvinonyadzisira and whatnot. Well guys, inini I teach, and I teach women kuma kitchen parties, kuma bridal showers, my baby welcome. And when I'm teaching women, I make sure I tell people to switch off their phones, or rather put their phones muma bag. Then ndichitira zvinhu zvakadaro zvekuti vanhu vasalikise, because it's not meant for everybody. It's meant for us sevanhukadzi vanenge vachiudzana zvekuvaka misha yavo, not zvechipfambi, asi zvekutovaka wako musha mumba mauri. So I will not stop because these groups, these stupid groups are saying this. Some are saying I am a hooker, some are saying I'm a prostitute. Well, I'm sorry, I don't even know the definition of prostitute. I just hear from out there kuti prostitute is a show. Well, I'm sorry, I've never been into this show business. My main issue and target is kudzidzisa vanhukadzi the little that I know, kuti vabate varume vavo zvakanaka. Zvekuzoti makuzvitora makuzvilikisa muchida kunditanisha. Let me tell you, you tried to break me a long time ago and then you failed. It's high time you give up, because this lady here, my titi for Baba Titi, is gone way too far. Kundidzikisa chaiko tinenge tichitonyeberana. Saka keep on doing that, muchilikisa ma audio and everything. Atinoita kuma kitchen party, but it will not change who I am. I am my titi for Baba Titi. Blessed day.